Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about playing Battle Royale game A1 Fighters to earn crypto giveaways. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So in the Battle Royale game A1 Fighters, gamers and crypto fans will soon be able to get free stuff and airdrops. The free-to-play game can be used to promote cryptocurrency and blockchain games, and players can earn rewards by playing it. The team behind Shibi Fighters is working on this project. The game A1 Fighters will come out in February of next year. The developers are now selling virtual land, which means that investors will get a cut of the money made from ads. A1 Fighters also has a program for getting people to join, so make sure you sign up. If a gamer buys virtual land, they can also play an early version of the Battle Royale game. People who are really into games like PUBG and Fortnite will not like this blockchain game. This has terrible graphics, but for a 2D action game made in HTML5, it looks pretty good. So it works on all browsers, both on desktop computers and on phones and tablets. Marketing in video games works. These campaigns' success show that A1 Fighters is headed in the right direction. It's fun for gamers to be able to interact with different things, and it's even more fun that they can earn things by playing games. Combining crypto giveaways and airdrops with video games and fun could be a good idea for A1 Fighters. It beats the idea of sharing posts on Facebook and Twitter by a long shot. Even though A1 Fighters isn't out yet, there are already many examples of how video game marketing works. In-game billboards and race cars are used by many game companies to show ads. Marketing can be a lot more creative though. The hit Battle Royale game Fortnite was used by Marvel Studios to promote its hit movies The Avengers Infinity War and The Avengers Endgame. In the online game, there were characters and things from the two movies. Not only does the winner of a round get items, but the game also gives out items at random. A1 Fighters, on the other hand, won't be as good at Fortnite. They don't even compete with each other, but these two games do the same thing. They use interactive entertainment as a way to market. Before February, A1 Fighters will take off. There are already ways for blockchain games to market themselves on A1 Fighters. On their website, they have put up banners. Some of the money made from these ads goes to early investors who bought one or more virtual land titles. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. So make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.